Hi and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video we're going to go into some big news surrounding Bitcoin, Binance and their suspended BTC from their exchange. Lots to get into. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here, and Binance basically have suspended withdrawals of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin network congestion causes Binance to pause withdrawals, but actually there was an obscene amount of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, that was removed from Binance. Like billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin was removed. So I think this is really that they've got to replenish the actual wallet. I think this is a liquidity issue rather than what's being articulated in these headlines. And it's going to be really interesting to see later today Nick go through his data on wallets and all that sort of stuff, because I think it's going to be very, very telling to see all of that Bitcoin move off of the exchange. So what I would say is definitely tune into Nick's videos today on Bitcoin and let's have a look at what those wallets are doing, and does it change anything? Has anything changed? Really interesting activity, just to say the least. So look, you can see this big spike here. So look, I'll put this in the Discord for you to read through at your leisure. But yeah, look, I think we should be mindful of what's going on. We've got this here. If we get rid of all of this, we've got HMRC to hold Bitcoin under plans to seize crypto from tax dodgers. New government proposal signals latest crackdown on the sector. And basically, I'm not going to read through this article, but in a nutshell, they are putting forward, I guess, some regulations that will allow the government to seize your crypto if you don't pay your tax. And thankfully we're all about paying our tax and paying our way. But rather scary. 3% tax on crypto transfers, part of Kenya's proposed budget, according to Bloomberg here. The Nationals budget will be presented on the 8th of June. So we want to monitor this stuff and see what actually happens. But the finance minister, the national treasury, has proposed a 3% tax on the transfer of digital assets for the budget year, according to Bloomberg reports. So we want to be keeping an eye on this, because I imagine, and I've said this a few times, that basically, in a nutshell, a few countries are going to be copying one another. And I think there's going to be a lot of mistakes before they get it right. It's just my opinion. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions in the comments below. And then the final thing that I wanted to talk about was meme coins. We can't really get away from the meme coins, right? And 𝗕𝗘𝗪 and all these other meme coins that have been going around, and the mania that it has caused is going to come to an end, and there are going to be some very big winners that got in very, very early, but there's going to be some very, very big losers. And $120 million worth of liquidations hit the crypto market as meme coin madness starts to calm down. And I think we're going to see a lot more of this. And why do I think that? Less about the actual meme coin fever that we've got right now, and more on the fact that I think a lot of people are going to get really, really bullish. And I think that there is going to be this really big narrative that is inaccurate and is going to catch a lot of people out. Now, what am I talking about? When the Fed pauses, I expect a big rally in the crypto market and the stock market. So keep an eye on this, because we're going to have lots of influencers saying to you that, the bull market is on. And basically, this is something that we have seen traditionally with stocks. And I think it is going to be, the same sort of movement that we've seen historically for stocks when the Fed has paused and then pivoted. So we're going to see a pump to the upside when the pause happens, but when they pivot, we're going to see an almighty crash. So what I would say is be very, very careful with the narratives that you follow in the crypto space. I don't want any of our community getting caught out negatively. But in the short to medium term, I am expecting us to get some, push to the upside. So just be aware of that. It might not, be immediate. We might get a little bit of pullback. But, when that pause happens, expect the markets to be bullish. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care.